Crisis Medicaid Planning. What is the look-back loophole? Have you ever wondered how some people manage to qualify for Medicaid benefits while still protecting their assets? It can seem like a puzzle, especially when it comes to the look-back period. Let's break it down in simple terms. The Medicaid look-back period is a 5-year timeframe, which is 60 months, before someone applies for Medicaid. During this period, Medicaid reviews any asset transfers made by the applicant. This review is designed to prevent individuals from giving away or transferring their assets to qualify for Medicaid benefits too quickly. If Medicaid discovers any transfers during this period that were not made for fair market value, they impose a penalty. This means the applicant may be ineligible for benefits for a certain period. Now, here's where the look-back loophole comes into play. This term refers to certain strategies that can help individuals protect their assets or avoid penalties, even with the look-back rules in place. These strategies are not formal exemptions, but rather legal techniques that work within the existing rules. One key aspect of the look-back loophole involves exempt transfers. Some transfers are exempt from penalties, even if they occur during the look-back period. For example, transferring assets to a spouse or a disabled child is allowed. Additionally, if you set up a trust solely for the benefit of a disabled person, that transfer is also exempt. This means you can transfer certain assets without triggering penalties. Another strategy is the use of irrevocable trusts. If you establish and fund an irrevocable trust before the look-back period ends, the assets placed in that trust are no longer considered owned by you. This helps you meet Medicaid's asset limits. However, it is important to do this proactively, as transferring assets into the trust during the look-back period could lead to penalties. You can also convert countable assets into income streams through Medicaid-compliant annuities. These annuities must be irrevocable and non-transferable. This method can help protect your assets while still meeting eligibility requirements. Retaining a life estate in your primary residence can also be beneficial. If you or a dependent relative continues to live in the home, it can protect your home equity from Medicaid asset calculations. Proper planning around your home can help avoid penalties related to ownership transfers. In crisis situations where immediate long-term care is needed, crisis Medicaid planning comes into play. This involves rapid legal and financial strategies to minimize penalties and protect as many assets as possible. While full asset protection may not be achievable at this stage, some planning can still help reduce penalty periods or preserve certain assets. It is also worth noting that there are proposals to extend the look-back period from 5 years to 7 or even 10 years. Such changes would make it harder to use current planning strategies effectively. Understanding the look-back loophole is essential for effective crisis Medicaid planning. Elder law attorneys can help clients navigate these strategies to protect their assets while qualifying for Medicaid benefits. Early planning is always best, but in urgent situations, knowledgeable legal advice can still help minimize penalties and preserve family wealth. By using these strategies, you can legally protect your assets despite the 5-year review period.